Imagine a spacecraft packed with essential supplies, hurtling towards the International Space Station, only to be abruptly halted by a mysterious engine failure. This isn't a sci-fi thriller plot, it's the reality facing Northrop Grumman's Cygnus XL capsule right now. A critical mission to deliver over 11,000 pounds of cargo to the astronauts aboard the ISS has been thrown into jeopardy. On Sunday, the Cygnus XL, Northrop Grumman's newest and largest cargo vessel, launched smoothly from Florida aboard a SpaceX rocket. But here's where it gets tense. Less than 48 hours later, its main engine shut down unexpectedly during a crucial orbit-boosting maneuver. This setback has left the capsule stranded in space, unable to complete its journey to the ISS as planned. The Cygnus XL was scheduled to dock on Wednesday, carrying a treasure trove of supplies, including food, cutting-edge science experiments, and even spare parts for the space station's toilet system. And this is the part most people miss. This mission was supposed to be a milestone, showcasing the capabilities of Northrop Grumman's upgraded extra-large Cygnus model. Instead, NASA has announced that all operations are on hold, while engineers scramble to devise an alternative plan. This isn't just a technical hiccup, it's a reminder of the complexities and risks inherent in space logistics. Northrop Grumman is one of NASA's two primary cargo suppliers to the ISS. Alongside SpaceX, Russia also contributes regular shipments to the orbiting lab, which sits 260 miles above Earth. The latest Russian delivery arrived just over the weekend, highlighting the global collaboration required to keep the station operational. But here's a thought-provoking question. As we rely more heavily on private companies like Northrop Grumman and SpaceX for space missions, how do we balance innovation with reliability? This incident raises important discussions about the future of space exploration and the role of commercial partners. What do you think? Is this just a minor setback, or does it signal a need for greater oversight in private space missions? Let us know in the comments below. The Associated Press Health and Science Department receives support from the Howard Hughes Medical Institute's Department of Science Education and the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. The AP is solely responsible for all content.